R.D. Sharma, Class 8, Mathematics, Chapter number 26, Probability, Data Handling, 4th, Probability. In that, now what is the meaning of probability? Probability of chance of happening. Okay, chance or happening or possibility, that is called the probability. Now probability of an event, that is PE, denoted by PE. Any probability of an event that equal to number of favorable outcome and total number of possible outcome. Means number of favorable outcome, whichever the number is in favor of that, and total number of possible outcome. Total number we have to just see. For example, coin have head and tail. So only coin have head and tail. Total outcome is 2 and possible outcome of head is 1. So number of favorable outcome is 1 and total number of outcome is 2 if it is head or tail. Now for the tail is total outcome we know that is 2 and number of favorable outcome, that is tail, one time it will, so it is 1. Okay, now you have a dice have how many shades, that is 6. Okay, dice have 6 shades, like this way dice it is. So 6 phases are there. So here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this way here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there. Now what is the probability to come 4? So probability to come 4. Now total number of outcome is 6 and probability of probability of an event means probability of getting an 4 only, that is 1. So here only 1, so 1 by 6 is the answer. Same way we can do the probability of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now note is that it can be never be 0, means probability can never be 0. It can never be more than 1. The probability can never be more than 1. It never be 0 or not more than 1, means probability lies between 0 less or equal to PE, means probability of an event, less or equal to 1. So probability is always 0 less than and not more than 1. Okay, 0 greater than PE, less than 1. Now if PE equal to 0, that is called possible event. Now if PE means possible event is equal to 0, that is possible impossible event, means which can never be happen. And if PE equal to 1, that is called sure event. Sure means that is it is going to be happen only, not the possibility, not the probability, that is going to be happen, that is called sure event. And this is, if it is 0, then it is impossible event. Now two formula it is that PA means possible event or E, any notation you can write. So number of variable outcome upon total number of outcomes. And another formula, that is P A bar, that is not A, plus PA equal to 1. Now this is called only PA bar, it is called complementary event. Means let us understand this formula with an exercise 26.1, question number 1. Question number 1, the probability that it will rain tomorrow is 0.85. Means probability means PR, rain tomorrow. So R I had denoted, that is 0.85. So what is the probability that it will not rain tomorrow? Means not rain means complementary. So complementary event, so that we have to find out. Okay, this is called complementary and we know the formula PR plus PR bar plus PR equal to 1. So let us now see, probability of R means probability that is rain tomorrow, that is 0.85. So probability of not rain tomorrow, that is question mark. So PR plus PR bar equal to 1. So that is PR bar equal to 1 minus PR. So what we will do, 1 minus 0.85. So what is the answer? What is the probability of rain, not rain tomorrow? So let us minus it here. Rough part, 10, 9, 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1.0. So what is the answer? 0.15. Okay, now let us do the second one. A dice is thrown. Find the probability of getting a prime number, 2 or 4, a multiple of 2 or 3. Now first one dice is thrown. So how many probability it is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So see, question number 2, possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total outcome equal to 6. Okay, so a probability of a prime number. So how many prime numbers are there? I am writing here prime number between these are. So prime number is 2, 3 and 5. So how many prime numbers are there? The number of favorable outcome is 1, 2 and 3. So that is 3. And total number of outcome is, that is 6. 3 ones are 3, 2s are. So what is the answer? 1 upon 2. Now number probability of 2 or 4. So 2 or 4, 1 it is there, here 1. Yes. So 1, 2 here 1 and 2. So number of favorable outcome is 2. 2 upon total number of outcome is 6. So 2 ones are 2 3s are, which is equal to 1 upon 3. Only total we have to write. Now probability of a multiple of 2 or 3. Now 2 or 3, how many outcome is this there? So 1 it is not there. So 2, 3, 4 is also the multiple of 2. Then 5 is not the multiple of 2 or 3. And 6. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, total is 4. So 4 upon total number of outcome is 6. So which is equal to 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 2 upon 3 is the answer. Question number 3. In a simultaneous throw of a pair of dice, pair means 2 pair, okay, 2 pair of dice, find the probability of getting, first one, 8 as the sum. So 2 dice we have, 2 dice, okay. In that one here I had written 1 to 6 outcome and second 1 to 6 outcome. So 1 1 1 1 2 1 3. In one dice it will come 1 and in another dice it will come 4. So this is the possible outcome. Here also 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 1 3 2 3 4 and so on up to 6 I had written. That is possible outcome. Now total number means whole this total number is how much? 6 into 6 we will do. That is 6 into 6, which is equal to 36. Total outcome it is there. Okay. Now first one, what we have to find, that probability of 8 as the sum. Now here if we'll do the sum, 8 it should be 8. मतलब हम सम करेंगे मीन्स प्लस करेंगे दोनों नंबर को तो आंसर 8 आना चाहिए. तो ऐसे कितने नंबर्स है कि उसके आंसर एग्जैक्टली 8 आएंगे. सो लेट अस चेक. हियर 1 + 1 is 2, 1 + 2 is 3, 1 + 3 is 4, 5, 6 and 7. There is no 8. 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 6 5 6 7 6 7 8. Now this one it is there. So I am writing here 2 and 6. Okay. 3 1 4 5 6 4 5 6 7 5 6 7 8. Now this one 3 and 5. Sum is 8. Okay. 6 plus 3 is 9. Another one 4 1. That is 5 5 1 6 6 1 7. Then 3 2 6 5 4 5 6 5 6 7 6 7 8. So this one also 6 and 2. Okay. Now another one, that is 4 3 4 5 6 7 5 6 7 8. 5 3 6 7 8 9 4 8 4 plus 4 is 8. So let us write that also. 4 5 9 6 10 4 plus 5 9 5 plus 5 10 6 11 4 plus 6 10. Now this is not there, so only how much outcome it is? So 1 2 3 4 and 5 outcomes, and total number of outcome is 36. So what is the answer? 5 upon 36. Now second one, that is probability of a doublet. Doublet means double number. Okay, so how many probability that it is a double number? So that is 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. So total is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here we will write 6 upon 36. So we can cancel it. 6 ones are 6 6 are, which is equal to 1 upon 6 is the answer. Third one, a doublet of prime number. Now here we have to see the prime number. So we had written the double number here only. So prime number is here 2 3 and 5. So how many are there? 1 2 and 3. So 3 number upon 36. So 3 ones are 3 12s are, which is equal to 1 upon 12 is the probability. Now fourth one, a doublet of odd numbers. Odd numbers doublet means here double number. See, odd number is 1 3 and 5. So which mean 1 1 3 3 5 5. These are the odd numbers. How many are there? 3. So 3 upon 36. 3 ones are 3 12s are. So 1 upon 12. Now another one, that is fifth one, a sum greater than 9. See, fifth one, a sum greater than 9. Sum greater than 9 means from here we can see that if we plus means 2 dice, whichever number will plus, it should be more than 9. So let us see here, 6 7 6 7 8. Okay, 6 7 8 9. More than 9 it is written. Okay, greater than 9. So 5 6 7 8. Here 5 9 6 and 4, that is 10. So 6 4. So first one is 4 and 6, and there we can write their inverse also, both are same. So 4 and 6 and 6 and 4. Another one we can write, that is 5 5, and another one 5 5 6 5. That is also greater than 9, and 6 6 5 and 5 6, and another one, that is 6 6. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 upon 36. So that is 6 ones are 6 6 are. So answer is 1 upon 6. Okay, from this table only we have to write. Now question number 9, a sum less than 6. Sum which is less than 6. So which number are there? Sum which is less than 6. This is 6. Okay, so from here we can write 5 6 7 4 5 6. So this is 2 5 and sorry, less than 6, right? I am writing more than 6. So we can write here this one, less than 6 means 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 2 1 2 2 2 3. Okay, after that 3 1 3 2 4 1. That's it. So let us write 1 1 1 2 1 3. So their inverse also we can write here in the side. First one 1 2. So 2 1 is also the same. 3 1 3, then 3 1. Okay, then 1 4, so 4 1. After that 1 5 is 6. Okay, so till 5 1 1, that is 6. So 1 2 we had written 2 2 2 2 2 3. So we can write inverse also 3 2, that is 5. After that 4 1 is there. That's it. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So how many are there? 10 upon 36. Okay, so we can cancel it with 2. 2 5s are 2 18s are. So that answer is 5 upon 18. Now a sum less than 7. So sum less than 7 means this all it will come. So I am writing the same number here because it is less than 6. So it will come 2 2 1 1 3 3 1 4 1 4 1 4 comma 4 1. Here 5 1 5 also came, then 5 1, right? After that 6 1 is 7. So after that 2 2 2 3 3 2. From that another one, that is 3 3 we can write. 3 4 is 7, less than 7, right? So 4 1 we had written. 4 4 2 4 5 6. 4 2 4 2 4 we had written. No, so 2 4. Okay, then 4 3 4 5 6 7. So it will not came. 5 1 we had written. 5 6 7. 5 2 will not came. So answer is this much: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So 15 upon 36. So what will write? 3 5s are and 3 12s are, which is equal to 5 upon 12 is the answer. Now ninth one, sum more than 7. Sum more than 7. So instead of this number, every number will come, right? Sum more than 7. More than 7 we have to write. Not 7 but more than 7. So let us write from the table. That one is 6 5 6 7. So more than 7 we have to write. So 2 6 6 7 8. Another one, that is 5 6 7 8. 6 2 3 5 and 5 3. 6 7 6 7 8 9. So 3 6 6 3. Another one, 4 plus 4 is 8. So 4 4 4 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 5 4. Okay, both will come. 6 4 we had. 6 plus 4 is 10. Means 4 6 and 6 4. That is also written. 5 5 and 5 6. 5 6 it is there. Yes. So here I am writing 5 6 and 6 5. Then after that 6 6. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So 15 upon 36. 5 5s are, 5 12s are, 3 5s are and 3 12s are. So 5 upon 12 is the answer. Question number 4. 3 coins are tossed together Find the probability of getting exactly 2 head. Okay, so first one, here 3 coins we had tossed. Okay, 3 coins. If we had tossed 2 coins, so coins, one have head and tail, another head and tail. So it is for 2 coins. So head will the ray, head, tail. After that tail, head and tail, tail. Now for the 3, this is outcome of 2 coins. Now we will take the outcome of 3 coins. So if it is 3 coins, see, 3 coins. Now we have the outcome of 2 coins, that is head, tail, head and tail. This is 4 and 1 is head and tail. So this total is 3 coins. So now what we have to do? Head. Okay, then head, tail, head, tail, head, and after that head, tail, head, tail, tail, and H means head, then tail. So how many outcome? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 outcome it is there. Okay, so let us do. So whichever outcomes I written here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total outcome equal to 8. Okay, so exactly 2 head means in question number 1, what we need exactly 2 head, only 2 head. Here it is 3, so it will not came here. Head, tail, then head, tail, head, then tail, head. This much only, because here 2 head it is not there. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 upon 8 is the answer. Now question number 2, that is at least 2 head. At least 2 head. So here at least 2 head should be there. Here exactly 2 head. So we have taken 2 head. But here we will take this 3 head also, because at least 2 head it is written. So 3 head will come. Then head, tail. Then head, tail, head and tail, head. So how many are there? 4 upon total is 8. So 4 ones are 4 twos are, which is equal to 1 upon 2. In question 3, at least 1 head and 1 tail. So triple tail and triple head will not come, otherwise all will come. So that is head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. After that tail, head, tail, tail, and tail, head. So at least head and tail is also there. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 upon 8. 6, cancel it. 6 3s are, means 2s are, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are. So answer is 3 upon 4. Question number 3, answer is 3 upon 4. Now no tails means there should be no tails in that. So which are there? Head and head. In all of them all tails are there, so no tails. So 1 upon total is 8. So answer is 1 upon 8. Thank you for watching this video.